Dad! Really?
What up, buddy?
How's your finest? Hello!
What's up, my fellow YouTubers? I'm Chris.
Hey, deer!
This is
Deer! Oh, dear!
my dad right here.
Run, deer, run!
Here's my dad.
Hi.
Here's Kenny.
Head up, Joe!
And here's my brother, JC. Also, my other YouTuber.
Yeah, guys, we're stump grinding today again.
To see the wizard.
The wonderful Wizard of Oz.
Oh, crap.
Short vlog, just like always, about a minute too long, but stump grinding today. It's Friday.
Penis!
Damn! This is why I don't do vlogs around my dad.
Excuse me.
Okay,
Sorry, we got a penis stuck in the throat.
Dirty.
This is why you do not work with family.
I have to redo the video again because I took a picture of the video.
Good job.
Yes.
Chris is a genius at this.
Yeah.
Good job.
Okay, so what's up, my fellow YouTubers? I'm Chris Wolfane.
I got stage fright.
I'm trying to pee right now, but I can't.
So here's Dad. Here's Dad. Here's Kenny. There's Matt. Well, Dad. There's JC doing the most goofiest face ever.
What's up, guys?
So we
guys.
worked today. We were doing stump grinding.
Stump
Now
grinding.
we're going home to unload.
We're gonna go dump a load.
And go back, go back into town to do another job.
Take the Browns to the Super Bowl.
Kenny, this is why we don't take you places.
Yes, sir.
The reason I have not posted any videos so far is because our internet has been acting up for some reason. Yep. Which my dad's already called the place where we need to...
AT&T sucks balls.
Yep. Very big point.
Very much so.
AT&T.
Yeah! He got us gay!
Man, I didn't know you were talking to a Chinese guy on the phone.
They call us gay! We're not gay.
No.
Oh my god.
So this is my daily vlog. I
Daily.
think, well, now
Monthly.
monthly vlog. I've not done one in a while, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tune in next time.
Bye, guys.
Whoop, whoop.